Dogs can learn over 150 words, but cats, they ignore commands they actually understand. I've had both my whole life, and the intelligence debate isn't what you think. Dogs are socially smart. They read your face, follow pointing, work as a team. But cats, they're problem solvers. They can navigate complex spaces, hunt with precision, and honestly, they just don't care about impressing you. So who's smarter? Depends if you value obedience or independence.